Hey, it's Deb with Garden Dog Henry, and we have a hack or a tip for you to make pruning shrubs so much easier, at least the cleanup part. I have a boxwood shrub right next to this porch, and I'm gonna go give it a haircut. It's really healthy, it looks great. It's just getting a little full of itself. So I'm gonna give it a little, like I said, a little haircut. But before I do that, I'm gonna wrap this old light blanket, sheets are great too, right around around the base of the shrub, and then do my pruning. And then when I'm done, all I need to do is just pull this out, and most of the branches and leaves will be inside of this, and it saves me from trying to pick up a whole bunch of individual ones one at a time. So what do you think, Henry? Good idea? All right, let's go. We've got work to do.